Hello everybody, I have a box here and surprise, surprise, this is from Sephina. Yes, we know that her kits are out of stock and we're waiting for new stuff to come, but apparently, I don't know, she got this one and maybe she had it for a while and just decided to list it. I'm not certain, but I had to go check this out. She told me it's absolutely beautiful. I watched her working on it a little bit on a video and I thought, well, let me check this out because this is something totally different. All right, let's get it out of here. And it's stuck in the box down here. So it's still stuck. It's like it's taped or something. What do we got? Okay, we'll just leave the bubble wrap in there. It's the bubble wrap. It's stuck. I think it's stuck right through the box. Taped to the bottom, something like that. Okay, so we got tissue paper. Here's our painting. Here's some information. Here is my invoice. Anything else on here that we need to know? Let's see. All right, so it just says, thank you for purchasing Wind Dancer. Your drill field is clear with no visible issues. I hope you enjoy your kit and new drills. Take some time to paint your word beautiful. She always gives you this little note in your kits. And here's your certificate of authenticity. It is a public domain or legally licensed artwork created using a public domain image, some art sets, and she put it together to make this picture. Here is our little pamphlet. She gives you a little pamphlet every time, tells you what's in here. It's on the Pixie Sparkle canvas, full drill image, clear symbols, poured glue, 19 colors, and it has, okay, this is what's interesting. This has something called rines and relies. So rhinestones and something else. She explained it somewhere, and I don't know exactly what a relie is. Okay, let's see. Floating on the warm sunlit breeze, a butterfly dances on the wind. The drills in this kit are a mixture of rines and relies. Rines are rhinestone crystal drills with cut facets that throw and reflect the light, okay? They act like A-B drills. The relies are resin jelly drills that lack the cut facets, and that smooth surface on them holds the light in, giving it a light bulb effect. This has, I think, just a basic toolkit. It doesn't have one of her, special toolkits, but she still has it all wrapped up like a gift in tissue paper and everything. I think her 2.0 is coming straight from the factory, and I don't know if we're going to get this, but I'm enjoying it now. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I know 2.0 is coming, and she's been working very hard at it. So here we go. So this canvas has like the felt kind of feeling back. It's a big boy. Look at how big that thing is. It's a big one. All right, it is poured glue, so I'm gonna kind of just roll it backwards a bit. Yeah, it's got that felt kind of feel to it, okay? Roll it backwards and get everything out of the middle. And that tissue paper is gonna have to get out of my way here. Yeah. All right, so here we go. Got it rolled backwards. So she has still designed this, like it says. She took a stock type image that didn't have copyright issues. And then she took some of her art sets that she purchases and created the special painting the way she wants it, right? Added a border and things like that. So here's the toolkit, a couple of pink pens with some multi-placers, baggies. Oh, look at that big square wax. So that's our toolkit. Here are our drills. This will be very interesting. All right, we'll check those out in a second. I don't know if we'll be able to tell the relies from the jellies or whatever. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, that piece of plastic needs to get off my hand. All right, so are you ready to see it? We have a key up here, 19 colors. Look at all that purple. So this is what she did. She took this picture and then she created a border around it. That's what she does. So here's the picture. Look at it. Whoa, it's ginormous too. And it's called Wind Dancer. All right. It is a 75 by 60. That is big. That is big. Let's see. Is it 75 and 60? Let's see. We'll measure real quick. We'll give it a little measure. My guess is it probably is. So let's give it. This is funny. Canvas I'm working on right now has like the same symbols. The same symbols. Well, it's probably produced at the same factory, right? So it is 74 centimeters. It's 1 centimeter short of the 75. So it is pretty close. Pretty close. That's cool though. Look at those colors. So here's the image. And then she has added this purple and the scrolly work around the outside, right? Yeah. Wow. Colorful, right? Look at the colors. My gosh. Blues, greens, yellows, pinks, purples. Whew. Okay, well, I want to see what's in here. Here is our kit number, which is on the canvas, right over here, SD018. All right, I got to see these. I wonder if I'll be able to tell the difference between jellies and relies. Jellies and relies, is that right? Okay, let's see what we have. So they're all pre-bagged, which is cool. Okay, so look at this is interesting. Some come like this. I wonder if this makes the difference. I don't know. Let's see. So there's some package like that in this type of package. And those seem to be smooth. Are these all smooth? Yes. Okay, so let's look up real close. And focus, camera, focus. Work with us. Do you see how these are smooth? Okay. So the smooth ones are the relies, okay? They don't have facets. So I'm gonna assume that all of these in this type of packaging, yes, are smooth. Okay, all right. So those are all smooth. They're in that packaging. That one is, these are, okay. I guess it's not too hard to figure out. Let's separate them by packaging, right? There we go. Interesting. Very interesting. We'll look at these in a second. So here's more of this kind. All right. Then we have those. And then we have another package of those. And then we have these in the bags. All right. So these are fat bags too. Fat bags. Holy cow. Are these faceted? I don't know. I'm trying to look up close and see which ones are faceted and which ones aren't. I can't tell. These all look kind of the same to me. I don't know. Huh. They all look smooth. Do they look smooth or faceted to you? Okay, hang on. Smooth? Smooth, right? Okay, where's the ones with the facets? I don't know. Do these have facets? Okay, I'm confused. I'll just be honest. I'm confused. I don't know. All right, let's do this. Let's get a tray. They all have silver backs. These do and these do. That's not helping me out. The L numbers on those. And what do these have? These do not. So these are different. These are the ones that are different, but I'm just not certain how they're different. Okay, does our key help us out? No. Nope. Okay, but these have L on them, clearly, on the bag. They're beautiful colors. I mean, just wish I could figure out which ones have. Let's see. Let's read what she says again. Rinds are rhinestone crystal drills with cut facets. They act like AB drills. Relies are resin jelly drills that lack the cut facets. Okay, I'm not seeing any with cut facets. That's my issue. Do I see facets on any of them? Let's see. Or are they all looking smooth? Okay, you look at them. What do you think? Facets? No, smooth, right? Very smooth. Like little globs, little round globs. I think that's what all of these in the L packaging are like. If I have to open up one of the other bags, I will. I mean, they're not in nice zipper bags. I can't. I'll put them in a baggie. That's what I'll do. I'll open one so we can check out those, because I think these are the two different types. I just want to see how they look different. I know I'm spending a lot of time on this. I'm sorry. Spending a lot of time with this, but this was the cool thing about it. And so I wanted to see what the difference is. Okay, maybe these have some facets. Let's see. Okay, we're going to open this one up. Let's see. All right, let's see. Do we have facets? Yes. Okay, we have facets on these. Okay, can you see the facets? Can you see them? There you go. See how they're kind of domed and cut? There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Now I can kind of tell what the difference is. So she said that these are the ones that will reflect the light and throw the light, while the other ones kind of soak it in. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, it's really hard to see the facets in the packaging. You have to like take it out of the packaging to see that they are faceted. Okay, all right. Anyhow, got that figured out. Now I'm gonna have to put that in a bag or something. So we have these colors, and there's multiple bags of color. So like this is the same, right? Can you see it? I don't know. This is the same, like pink. This is the same red. Okay, these are the same. Wait, that one's a pink. Okay, those are really close too. You have to look at the numbers, and I'm not being very patient with it right now, but anyhow, there's multiple bags of the colors. So we got reds, pinks, golds, blues, greens, and then over here is where our purple is for our background. Look, we have like 4 different huge bags of purple. These are the same. Okay, those 2 are the same, and then that's 210, and that's 208, and that's 3837. So these are DMC numbers. I know those are DMC numbers. 210 and 208 are some of my favorite purples. And then 820, look, 820 is that pretty purpley blue. I know that's a DMC. So these are by DMC code, and these are a totally different thing. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I've seen her working on it, and she was working on this border, which the border is not just one color. That border is like, I can see S and W in that border. And then this here, the scroll work, is going to be a light purple. So we got 2 tones of purple here, and we're gonna have a 3rd purple in all the scroll work. Yeah, that's why we got so much purple. Okay, this is cool. I mean, I'm glad I figured it out. Sorry I took so much time with it, figuring it out, but I wanted to get this all squared away so that we would know. These are totally smooth, and these have facets. Yes, totally, totally smooth. Totally, totally smooth. Look at those. It's easy to see those. It's not as easy to see these in the bags, okay? That they are faceted, but okay. All right. It's cool. It's beautiful. It's pretty. And she says when you put those drills on there, it is just like sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. It almost glows, she said. So that's kind of cool. That's a big butterfly, isn't it? It's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, guys, this is what I got from Sandy. Please be patient with Sandy. She has worked really hard to revamp everything, and 2.0 is coming out, and it's going to be probably a few kits at a time, but they'll be available for sale when she gets them. I believe all the factories are on vacation still through the end of February. I don't know if they got started before vacation or not, but it's coming. And she has been working on art, and there's some fantastic things, and excited to see what else is coming from Bella Sephina. All right. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and have a great day. This just makes me kind of happy. It makes me very summery feeling, doesn't it? It's so pretty. It really is. It's gorgeous. So yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hit the like button and subscribe. You know, come spend some more time with me and see all of the antics that I'm up to these days. Lots and lots of things. Lots of things. Thanks for spending some time with me today, guys. So as Sandy says, paint your world beautiful. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.